I'm Pearl. And I'm Mickey. Today we're going to show you how to make this ornament. First, you need some pictures of your friends or teachers. And you need photo transfer Mod Podge. Then you need pine wood from Michael's craft store. You also need brush so you could put on the Mod Podge. Lastly, we need the decorations. We got these ribbons from Dollar Tree. And of course, you also need gum glue to glue it on. You also need another Mod Podge for the finishing to put on the photo so it lasts longer. First, you need the pine wood from Michael's craft store and measure it on the picture you've chosen. Make sure the hole is above the picture. Then flip it over and cut it out. Next, it should look like this when you're done trimming, measuring, cutting it out. Then you need Mod Podge Photo Transfer and a brush. I'll squeeze some out on the paper for us to be easier to use. Next thing, you have to brush the Mod Podge on the picture. Remember, the picture's on the front, not the back. Next, you need to flip it over and stick it on the pine wood. And then you have to smooth it out with anything. Make sure it doesn't have any bubbles. When it is done, it should look something like this. You should wait for 24 hours to let it dry. Wait, I have a tip. You can hair dry it for 3 to 4 minutes instead. Then let it cool down. Really? Yes. Okay. So we blew dry it for 2 minutes, like this. And then we went outside to get a picture with Santa Claus and got balloons. But anyway, next you can get a damp cloth or a rag and press it on top for 10 seconds. Make sure to use a magazine because this is the messy part. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you start to see the picture and you start rubbing it off. But don't rub it too hard or else you'll ruin the picture. Remember, a second reminder, don't rub it too hard or you're going to rub off the whole picture. And also, if you rub it off, it'll just be blank wood again. Or white wood. So after you rub out the white paper, it should look like this. And then you should let it dry. This is how it's supposed to look like after you're done transferring the photo on the ornament. You can use your hand to clean it and be ready for the next step. So anyway, the next step is putting the Mod Podge sealer on. Remember, it's not the photo transfer, it's the sealer to put on the ornament. Make sure you use a cleaner brush than the one you did last time for this. So you just dip it in and put it on the surface of your ornament. Once you covered all the surface, let it dry. Last is the decorations. We're planning to put a bow on the front here. To secure it, you can use gun glue to secure it. Make sure you have an adult supervision or help because you do not want to burn your fingers. You can also write or draw anything at the back. For the strings, you should cut it and hang it for the ornaments. Make sure it's not too long or too short. At the end, it should look like this. Make sure to not put the gun glue in the hole here and put it where you want to secure it. And also careful, try not to burn your fingers. Just put a tiny bit. Ta-da! We're done with our ornament. As you see, we decorated the back too. If you want, you could put another layer of the seal Mod Podge on the back to make it last a long time. I hope you like our ornaments that we made. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!